הגענו לפרק 8, וכאן אני אתן כמה טיפים, מה שאני מקווה ששימושיים, לאלה שעוסקים בסחר החוץ, בעיקר יבואנים ויצואנים כמובן. Useful vocabulary. I think you'll find a lot of these abbreviations, a lot of these words in many of the mails that you're receiving and sending. Let's have a look first of all at the letters LC, which mean letter of credit, sometimes called documentary credit. This is a form of guarantee where the bank checks the documents and makes sure that everything is suitable before it releases the money. It guarantees money to the supplier and it guarantees the goods to the customer. The bank deals only with documents, therefore it's called documentary credit. So when you see LC, you'll understand that it's part of the business. Sometimes when people are referring to a subject that they've already written about, either in the subject line or earlier in the mail, they will talk about, thank you for your AM mail. Thank you for your above mentioned mail. AM means above mentioned. It's a subject that we've already talked about earlier in this mail. Amend is another word for to correct. So an amended letter of credit is a corrected letter of credit, or an amended document is a corrected document. Amendment we can simply translate as tikkun. By the way, the most famous amendment is the First Amendment to the American Constitution, which is being quoted all the time. So amend is tikkun. BL is bill of lading. A bill of lading is a document proving that the goods have been loaded on board ship only. We'll discuss aeroplanes in a second. So bill of lading means the containers or the goods have been loaded onto the ship, and the bill of lading carries a date. As well as being proof that the goods are now on board the ship, the bill of lading is also used as part of the terms of payment. And you will find many terms of payment as being 30 days from bill of lading or 45 days from bill of lading. Again, that is to say 45 days from the time that the goods were loaded on board the ship. AWB is airway bill, which is the authorization we get when goods have been loaded on an aeroplane for air freight. It's similar to a bill of lading, but a bill of lading is for a ship, whereas an airway bill is for an aeroplane. I'd like to finish this section with two terms of shipping, CIF, CIF, and FOB, FOB. I don't want to get too much involved into the legal jargon and to the measure of responsibility of each party. Basically what CIF, cost, insurance and freight, means is when you ask a supplier in Spain, please quote me or please send me a quotation for the goods CIF Ashdod, it means don't tell me how much the goods cost in Spain, that doesn't help me. If you could calculate and tell me how much it costs to bring to Ashdod, that's what's important. I'm willing to pay the cost of the goods, I'm willing to pay the insurance, and I'm willing to pay the freight. You make the calculation and tell me how much it costs to bring the goods all the way from Spain to Ashdod port. CIF is always followed by the name of an Israeli port. So CIF Ashdod, CIF Haifa, CIF Eilat, or CIF Ben Gurion Airport. FOB, free on board, means I have an arrangement with CIM. If you're buying the goods from Spain, for example, quote me a price, FOB Barcelona port. From Barcelona, I'll bring the goods by myself because I have an arrangement with CIM. I have a special deal. I don't need to calculate the price. That's done for me. Just tell me how much it costs to get the goods from your factory to Barcelona port, and I'll pay from there by myself. I hope you found that business vocabulary useful. Now let's move on to the next lesson.